student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start with new video on note making. But before talking about that, how to do perfect note making, subscribe my channel by rating GHIMTA, like, share and comment. Dear student, I have told you many times earlier that there is a flood of information in the present. It is rather an age of information and we are overburdened with information. As our memory is limited, it is very difficult to remember all these informations. So, notes can help us remember and assimilate it. They can summarize the relevant information from a text for us to use whenever needed. They can be consulted before an examination, before writing an essay or making a speech or preparing a report. Note making is a skill which has to be learned. It is a useful exercise and require practice. While making notes, dear student, there are some points which should be worn in our mind. Read the given passage thoroughly once. If you didn't get the central idea and the gist of the passage, so go one more time, twice, even thrice, or more times if needed to grasp the gist and the central idea of the passage. Dear student, this is our first task to read this passage, and whenever you are reading this passage, आपकी understanding भी होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? And your reading should be very fast, understanding also should be good. Then after understanding this passage, you will find some difficult word which you can crack. How? कैसे क्रैक कर सकते हो? जहां आपको डिफिकल्ट वर्ड मिलता है उसके पहले वाली लाइन और उसके बाद वाली लाइन के साथ उसको रिलेट करने की कोशिश करिए. ऑलराइट, सो फाइंड द मेन डिवीजन ऑफ द पैसेज आफ्टरवर्ड. दे कैन बी फाउंड इन डिफरेंट पैराग्राफ्स. ऑल्दो हर पैराग्राफ की फर्स्ट लाइन में ही आपको एक की वर्ड्स मिल जाता है, इंपॉर्टेंट लाइंस मिल जाती है, इंपॉर्टेंट हेडिंग मिल जाती है. रेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पैराग्राफ लेट अस नो अबाउट दैट कीवर्ड्स. वो जो मेन हेडिंग है, जो कीवर्ड है, उसके बारे में उस पैराग्राफ में अक्सर डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है, डिटेल दी गई होती है. ऑलराइट, सो दिस मेन हेडिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शुड बी नंबर्ड एज 1 2 3 एटसेट्रा. एंड व्हाट इज आवर सेकंड टास्क हियर? मेन हेडिंग ढूंढने के बाद, क्योंकि पैराग्राफ में आगे उसी के बारे में बताया गया है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द main ideas, important points related to it, right? These form the subheading or subsections and which should be numbered as ABC, etc. Not only this subheading but also these allied ideas may contain one or more ideas. Find this, क्योंकि कभी कभी subheading भी कुछ और आगे बता सकता है उस points के बारे में, right? So these will form subheadings and should be numbered as 1 2 3 in Roman. अंकों में जिस तरह से हम लिखते हैं. Dear student, there is a format. See yourself that how to do perfect note making. Dear student, your notes must be brief, relevant, clear, in note form and in phrases. Brevity is the soul of notes, but it must not be at the cost of clarity. They should be short but clear. Notes should contain the main points of the passage or of the speech we hear. You should leave out the rest of the information. Your notes should make sense when they are read again, even after months. Complete sentences should not be usually used in notes because they hinder speed. But one thing which is very important, that your notes should be in phrase, not in sentence. Use abbreviations and symbol wherever you can. Even you can make your own abbreviations. Now I'm going to read a passage for you. How can you best improve your English depends on where you live and particularly on whether or not you live in an English speaking community. If you hear English spoken every day and mix freely with English speaking people, that is on the whole an advantage. On the other hand, it is often confusing to have the whole language pour over you at once. Ideally, a step-by-step course should accompany or lead up to this experience. It will also help a great deal if you can easily get sort of English books in which you are interested. This is the first paragraph. So here, first of all, you have to understand this passage. After understanding this passage, you have to find out the keyword on the main word, on the main heading from the very first line of this paragraph. And after that, rest of the paragraph में क्योंकि उस main heading keywords के बारे में ही बताया जा रहा है और जो कुछ भी उसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है, these can be subheading to it. Second paragraph is, to read a lot is essential. Okay, to read a lot is essential. Read as many books in English as you can. Not as a duty, but for a pleasure. It is extensive and not intensive reading that normally helps you to get interested in extra reading and thereby improves your English. This is our second paragraph here. In this paragraph also you can find a keyword and even subheading to this one. Paragraph number 3. Some people say that they cannot learn to speak a language better with the help of a book. To believe this is to believe that spoken language and the written language are quite different things. This is not so. There is a great deal in common between the two. In learning the pattern and vocabulary of the written form, we are learning to a considerable extent those of the spoken form too. After reading and understanding this passage, our next task is to find out the main heading, keywords, subheading and sub-subheading from the paragraph. As I said that in each paragraph there will be a keyword, main heading, और उस मेन हेडिंग के बारे में ही नीचे पैराग्राफ में बताया जा रहा है. जो कुछ भी इस कीवर्ड मेन हेडिंग के बारे में पैराग्राफ में बताया जा रहा है वो इसकी सब हेडिंग एंड सब हेडिंग होती है. सेम वे वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट सम मोर मेन हेडिंग, सब heading and sub heading from each paragraph. Dear student, now we will do some rough work and to find out that how many important lines, keywords and important words are there in each paragraph and in this passage. And after doing that, we will make our rough work fair to make perfect and effective note making. Let's start that how many important keywords are there in the first paragraph. See, the first one is improve your English, depend where you live in English speaking community, English spoken every day, mix freely with English speaking people, often confusing, step-by-step course, English book in which you are interested are some important keywords in the first paragraph. Let's move to the second paragraph. Read a lot is essential. Read as many books in English, not as duty but for a pleasure. Extensive and intensive. Get interested in extra reading. Last paragraph tells us learn to speak a language, help of book, believe that spoken language and the written language are different, great deal in common between the two, vocabulary of written form, learning to a considerable extent are some keywords and main or important lines or phrase in this passage. Dear student, that was our rough work. Now is the time to make effective and perfect note making out of this rough work. How to improve English, right? This is my main heading, first main heading which I took from the first paragraph of this passage. Alright, what more I can say to improve English? जो मैं आगे कुछ बताने वाला हूँ इंग्लिश कैसे improve हो सकती है वो मेरी सब हेडिंग होगी. राइट, नंबर 1, लिविंग इन इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कम्युनिटी. इंग्लिश शॉर्ट कर दिया, स्पीकिंग को फिर शॉर्ट कर दो, कम्युनिटी को शॉर्ट कर दो. स्टेप बाय स्टेप कोर्स, सेकंड सब हेडिंग. थर्ड विल बी हेल्प ग्रेट डील. ओके, नेक्स्ट विल बी रीडिंग गुड इंटरेस्टिंग बुक्स, और इंटरेस्टिंग को फिर शॉर्ट कर दो. विच बुक्स शुड रीड, this is my second main heading. What more I can say about that, what kind of books we should follow and we should read to improve our English? Yes, my first subheading for this main heading will be books other than set books. Other than set books here means like examination के लिए books set होती है. So we should read some books other than this that give us pleasure, that are not difficult to follow. In these subheading there are two words जिसको हम abbreviation में डाल सकते हैं. These are pleasure and difficult. Okay. Third main heading will be value of extensive reading. Extensive को फिर से हम यहाँ पे abbreviate कर सकते हैं. And what more can be there for subheading? Helps to give command over the language. Number 2, sentence pattern. Sentence को short कर दो, command को short कर दो, language को short कर दो. And third is habit of guessing meaning. Fourth is form the text without having to use a dive. Are some very important subheading to this heading. Dear student, it is not essential that we always look out for subheading and main heading for the passage ditto. Actually, we should apply our mind to make it more appropriate and effective so that we can get good marks. Alright, the last main heading is relation between speaking and reading a language. Right? Here, relation short, speaking short, reading short or language short कर दो. My first subheading for this will be not much difference between the two. Same pattern. Next will be the same vocabulary. Reading a lot books. Learn both spoken and written English. These were 4 main headings for this passage. And with each main heading, there are 3 or 4 subheadings which make it perfect. And even covered almost all important elements from the passage. Now, you will write your all abbreviated word in the abbreviation block. The next task is to give a title to this passage. What can be the title? Here the title is very easy. How to improve spoken and written language. Dear student, if you are in the 12th class, so there is one more task for you. That is to make a summary. How to make a perfect summary. I would prefer that all the main heading, subheading and subheading of our note making can be used to make a perfect summary. Why? Because the best material we have already taken out of the passage. So this will be appropriate to use for summary. As far as concern about our note making, इसे हम हमेशा phrases में तैयार करते हैं, लेकिन जब हमें अपनी summary तैयार करनी होती है उसमें हमें अपने tense, grammar का ध्यान रखते हुए इन सभी नोट मेकिंग की लाइंस को, हेडिंग को, सब हेडिंग को जोड़कर एक परफेक्ट समरी तैयार कर सकते हैं. See yourself here. Living in an English speaking community can be helpful in learning and improving one's language. But only this much is not sufficient. A step-by-step course is also necessary along with it. Also, a lot of reading other than the set books should be done. Difficult books for which a dictionary has to be consulted frequently should not be chosen for reading. Only easy books that can maintain that readers and trust should be chosen. The sort of extensive reading can improve both our written and spoken language, since क्योंकि the vocabulary and sentence pattern are common in both the cases. Hope you understood that how we can use our note making for summary. That's it, dear students. See you soon in the next video.